In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best Wi-Fi smart plug sockets available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the Wi-Fi smart plug sockets list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the Wi-Fi smart plug sockets mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Wi-Fi Brazil Smart Power Strip Surge Protector. The Wi-Fi Brazil Smart Power Strip features 4 Brazil plug BR outlets, USB Type-C connectivity, and Tuya app compatibility for convenient control. With voice commands through Alexa or Google, users can effortlessly manage connected devices. This surge protector combines versatility and smart technology for a seamless home automation experience. Number 4, Melery Zigbee Tuya Smart Wall Socket AU. Melery Zigbee introduces a smart wall socket with AU electrical plug compatibility. Boasting a 10A power rating and touch sensor switch, it integrates with wireless remote controls and is compatible with voice commands via Alexa and Google Home. The seamless connectivity enhances home automation, providing users with the flexibility to manage their devices effortlessly. Number 3, HomeKit Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini EU Socket. The HomeKit Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini for EU sockets offers advanced features, including remote app control, voice command support for Alexa and Google Assistant, and compatibility with SmartThings. With timer functions and a compact design, it seamlessly integrates into smart homes, allowing users to remotely manage connected devices with ease. Number 2, 16A Smart Socket IP66 Waterproof Plug. Designed for outdoor use, the 16A Smart Socket features an IP66 waterproof plug with an 86 type outdoor switch. With Wi-Fi connectivity and app remote control through Smart Life, this socket follows Israel standard power jack specifications. Users can efficiently manage outdoor devices with the convenience of smart technology. Number 1, Smart Socket Wi-Fi Power Strip Multi-Plug. Topping the list is the Smart Socket Wi-Fi Power Strip with 4 plugs and 4 USB ports. Compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and Tuya Smart, this power strip offers comprehensive smart home integration. Users can control multiple devices, creating an efficient and connected living space with the convenience of voice commands and app control.